What's happening, y'all? We got another trading day over with. I was gonna do a live trade. I was gonna do a live trade earlier, but I didn't do it because I ended up staying in the trade all day, and I'm gonna continue to trade into the next day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe. In this video, I'm gonna give you a play for tomorrow, possibilities, things to look out for, and mainly just teach you the game. All right, so we gonna get into it. I did an AMD call option. I probably only profited somewhere around $50, something like that. I'll put it here on the screen, but I'm gonna get right into the homework with y'all. All right, so I mainly play AMD because of the gap. Right here, there's a gap. Usually gaps get filled within a short period of time, right? So I mainly played it for that gap. Because when market opened, it did a gap down, I knew that now I was playing two gaps. I knew that if there was two gaps that within this day, the trade will get filled. So I didn't really get into the trade probably until around this candle because I thought it was just going to start shooting up from there, right? But it looked like right now, so we're going to get into it right now. It looks like we're starting to try to form that bull flag. Now, if any of these terms don't mean anything to you, go on TradingView or go on Google and look up bull flag so you can understand what I'm talking about. Bull flag is a pattern, it's a bullish pattern. That means the stock should be going to the upside, right? So we got the bull flag, we got the bull flag, and we got this gap that needs to be filled. Also in post market, it's doing something crazy too. The stock closed right here for the day, but in post market, it's already it's going up a lot. So look like most of the value that it got during the day wasn't even during the time that the stock market was trading. So so I'm gonna give y'all some possibilities for the trade, right? Well, first that was the 5-minute chart. Now we're gonna go to the 15-minute chart. So the 15-minute chart, we still got this gap and we got a double bottom. So in the 5-minute chart, we got a bull flag. The 15-minute chart, we got a double bottom. Usually in a double bottom, it touches a level of support, bounces off, come down, bounces off that level of support again, and it still got room to run to clear that double bottom, plus we got that gap. So on the 5 and 15-minute chart, it's showing me that we're gonna continue to make that move in the upward. Post-market, the stock is still going up, so I expect it to go up in pre-market. Now, I'm gonna go over some levels of resistance. Where we at currently looks like a level of resistance. So that could be one area where the stock stops at, but because it's higher than that already at post-market, I don't even think that's really a level of resistance. This is another level of resistance right there. And I would say probably this right here is another level of resistance. So when I say resistance, these are take profit zones. Like this is a level of support. Why is it a level of support? Because when the stock came down to that area, both times it bounced off of it, supporting the stock, not allowing it to go further than that. And resistance, the stock bounces down from resistance. It could go through support, it could go through resistance, but you make your play after that. You buy call options at resistance, you buy call options at support, and you buy put options at resistance. However, I don't really consider this support or resistance because we we know we going through that one. So when you're looking at your resistance levels, this is where you consider taking profit. Because once it gets to this area, it could either bounce down or it could bust through. Now, if it busts through, the next level you want to look at for take profit zone is here. It could bounce down off of this level or it could bust through. Based on those actions, that'll let you know when to take profit or when to continue getting more profit. So I'm posting this video a little late in the day. I just wanted to make sure I just came from the movies. I just wanted to make sure that I gave y'all a quick lesson on the day. For the rest of the week, I'll probably only just do live trades, but class is back in session on Sunday. We're going to get back in our bag and we're going to prepare for next week. If you're new to this channel, like and subscribe. I teach you how to day trade so I can help you get your money up.